Hi everyone, welcome to our channel New Idea, and today I will explain how you can use the app Procreate. In my previous video, I explained how you can download the app and how much fee you should pay. You can also check the video here. So once you open the app, you will see this page. As you can see, Procreate already gave you some example of drawings here. This is a home page where you can find all your drawings here. It saves your work so you can edit and share your artwork. Starting from the right side, this plus button is the canvas size. As you can see, Procreate gives some example which you can use for your drawings, like A4, square, or screen size. If you want a different size for your canvas or make your own, you can manually make it from here. You can determine the width and height of your canvas and change its unit from pixel to inches or centimeters and so on. I usually set the DPI to 450 for my drawings. The DPI only matters when you want to print your artwork. If you're working with pixel, DPI doesn't matter because the monitor will display whatever the pixel dimensions are. The amount of layers that you want to use for your work always depend on the size of your canvas. For example, if you have a 24 by 30 centimeter size for your canvas, the amount of layers that is available are 25. But if you pick a smaller size canvas, like 12 by 15, you will have more layers available for you. The size that I use most of the time for my drawing is 11 by 17 inch. That has certain layers available. For the color profile, you have RGB and CMYK. The CMYK is useful if you want to print your artwork, while RGB is for color viewed on screen. You can also set the quality for the time-lapse video, which records every steps of your drawing so you can save and share it later. You can also manage the background color here as well. After you're done, you can click Create and it will open a page based on the setting you entered. And here's how you can change the orientation from landscape to portrait. Another feature that you can use is Photo, which allows you to insert an image from your device so you can edit and draw. You can also import your drawings or image by clicking here. The Select button allows you to pick multiple drawings to delete. You can share your work or duplicate it. You also have to remember that once you delete your artwork from here, you won't have access to it anymore, unless if you saved it before. The Selection button also allows you to stack your drawing as one folder. You can also name your stack by clicking on the bottom of your drawing. Once you set up your canvas, you will see this page. So I will explain some features here and we'll go in depth in the next video. So starting from this side, here you have the Action button where you can insert image, import your drawings, see the time-lapse video, and adjust your canvas. The adjustment setting allows you to play with color, saturation, and brightness of your drawing. The Selection button allows you to select areas of your artwork which you can edit without ruining your work. You can also use this feature to move things around. You can pick different brushes and pen by clicking here. These are the brushes that Procreate already provided, and as you can see, it's a lot. It can help you a lot with your drawing and saves your time. You can adjust the size of the pen and its opacity in here. The smudge tool helps you to create different effects depending on the value of pressure you put on your pencil. You can also erase your drawing by clicking on the eraser on the top. You can also click on the layers and hit clear. You can adjust your layers here as well. Remember, the size of the canvas that I'm using is 11 by 17 inches, so I can only have 13 layers. And last but not least is the color palette. Procreate already provided some colors here, but you can always add your own. It also displays in different forms like disc, classic, harmony, and you can pick whatever you want. So this was a brief introduction of the Procreate app and how you can use it. I hope it was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.